Hello everybody, welcome to another Breakaway SC eBay box break. This break is for the Rookie Anthology box break number 19, serial number NE190599683. So you can see that. Just going to quickly show you that this break has ended. Auctions. There you go. Ended last night. And just so you guys know, I'm filling in for my brother today. So bear with me on this break. I'll get through it as quickly as I can. Before I get started, I just want to let you guys know that we have some live breaks going on this week. We've got case break, half case break of Rookie Anthology on Wednesday night. There's down to 14 spots in that one. It's $30 a spot, or 3 spots for $80. So you can get in on that one. Check out our website. We're also going to be doing some special Canada Day breaks. We're doing a Cup and Dominion Buy Your Team case break where you can purchase your team direct. And we're also going to be doing 3 other breaks and giving out some prizes during the night, doing some trivia contests. So be sure to check out the website this week for details. I'll just show you that serial number again, so you know it's the same box. There you go. Alright, good luck everybody. Prison pack. Do the prison pack last. Here we go. Pack number 1. Base. 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 Decoy. Base. Base. Pack number 2. Just going to sort through the base, pull out the hit. Base. Base. And we got a hit for the St. Louis Blues game-worn gear from Titanium of Al MacInnis. Al MacInnis. Base. And hit for the Columbus Blue Jackets, Vezina Contenders, $2.99 of $9.99 of Sergei Bobrovsky. Decoy. Base. Hit for the New York Rangers, got a Towering Defenders, Mark Stahl. I don't know why they put the base upside down. So the base. Hit for the Dallas Stars from Panini Elite. We got a rookie, 378 of 999 of Ryan Garbutt. Decoy. Got a double hit pack here. Base. For the Edmonton Oilers, got a Great Outdoors, 162 of 500, Alice Hemsky. And we got a Rookie Treasures, number 62 of 699 for the Dallas Stars of Lane McDermott. He's in a Boston jersey, but this is the Dallas Stars card. That goes to Dallas. So your base. A hit for the LA Kings, 797 of 999. Hart Contenders of Ans Kopitar. Decoy. Base. And we got a silver titanium auto metallic marks for the Chicago Blackhawks, Al Secord. Decoy. Got another double hit pack. Another base. First up for the Colorado Avalanche, we got an Elite Rookie 929 of 999 of Tyson Barrie. And we got a nice hit here from Luxury Suite. This is going to go to the Detroit Red Wings. Nice stick card. Nicholas Lidstrom. And here is the last rookie Anthology pack. Here's all your base. And we got a nice hit here for the Carolina Hurricanes. The Lords of the NHL, 20 of 25 Eric Stahl. And we got the Prism pack. First up is the base. Next up, we got nice auto for the Detroit Red Wings, Thomas McCullough. And we got a rookie for the Boston Bruins of Max Sov. And that's it for this box. Thank you everybody for taking part in one of our eBay box breaks. Please check out our website this week for our fun and exciting live breaks. Got the half case of Rookie Anthology on Wednesday night, and then we got a bunch of breaks planned for Canada Day with prizes and giveaways all night. So thank you everybody. I'll see you in the next one.